Exclamation point. This is an emergency. Pillagers and Vindicators are raiding this city of Villagertopia. Iron Golem are trying their best at solving this situation. You are forced to lock all your doors and windows in your house. Go to the lowest floor of your building, and bring 14 days of food and water and other stuff you may need to survive. Exclamation point. Update. Ravagers have arrived to the city. Locked all your doors and your windows immediately. Arm yourself with an iron sword or any sword. Crossbows will be useful, so are shields. Remember, we're going to get through this together as Villagertopia. There's no way we can survive in Villagertopia. An immediate evacuation has been ordered at the government of Villagertopia. Bring food, water and anything you need to survive to the nearest military base from Villagertopia. All of the Vindicators and Ravagers are all killed. It's safe to return back to Villagertopia, but many homes were destroyed.